Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing hazards. Unplug the appliance and switch off the breaker or gas valve, safety first. Once done, test for live voltage with a multimeter so you know the system state, and photograph connections for reference. Make sure to clear the work area and collect the right tools and parts. This saves repeated stops. Then open service panels gently, following visible fasteners and labels, and note which screws match which holes as you begin the first diagnostic steps. You now narrow the fault. Isolate whether it's electrical, mechanical, or fluid-related by observing sounds, smells, and behavior. Use the meter to measure voltage, continuity, and resistance on fuses, motors, thermostats, and switches. Record readings so you can compare to specs. Once a component is suspect, remove adjacent panels methodically, label screws and small parts, so reassembly is straightforward. While parts are out, clean contacts and check for corrosion. That often fixes intermittent faults. You install the new or repaired component, ensuring fasteners meet torque and connectors sit fully engaged. Use OEM or equivalent parts rated for the appliance. Once reassembled in reverse order, double-check wiring against your photos and labels and secure all panels. Restore power cautiously and run a short functional test, then a longer stress test to confirm reliability. If issues persist, isolate the failing step and revisit diagnostics. A steady log of measurements helps pinpoint stubborn intermittent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.